Hello YouTubers, this is AJ here. I've got a friend here working on my dad's Mercedes C220 CDI. It's a sports model, 150 bhp. The inlet manifold had gone because it had shattered. We've now ordered one. This one is the model number A6110900427. As you can see here, we are now rebolting on the new manifold. A few things you need to note before doing this install. You have to remove the fuel gauge, which generally just sticks out here, just to check the oil. Got to remove the fuel rail here, which has been removed. You've also got to take off the EGR cooler, and this hose here you've got to take off. I'm not a mechanic myself, but I've looked up on YouTube. It was a little bit more difficult because we were looking at the W203 C220 CDI. It's very similar, but there are a few different aspects of the engine that you need to take care of. I do recommend taking off the bolts from there's a few bolts underneath the car. Maybe get it jacked up. You can use a general bottle jack we've used here. So we've disconnected the battery just to stop any malfunctions happening. It's very safe for the car. We're just now plugging everything together. Some of the bolts are located up and below the air inlet manifold, which is up here and up here, here and here, and generally in between these gaps as well. You will see these bolts, size 8 I believe. It's like a star-shaped. Forgive my knowledge. I'm not very knowledgeable on the correct names for these, but I hope this helps anybody who's having this issue and can see the model number to help them locate the part. When ordering the parts, make sure you ask the seller whether it is compatible. Generally the factories can tell you that information.